We're about to show you a renovation
Yeah.
that we have not done before.
We are going to renovate the kitchen, and we're not doing a rip out renovate type thing like we normally do. We're not moving walls.
I think we're doing a major transformation, but on a budget that Erin's happy with.
Now the budget, under 10K.
Oh
We can do that?
Yeah, we can do it.
Easy.
No, we can do it. We can do it, I think.
So many people would think, how on earth do they modernise a kitchen like this? And this is what we're going to show you is the power of paint using the Dulux Renovation range. So the cabinetry in the doors are actually in really good shape. They're operating fine, but there's just a bit too much timber. And with the matching timber knobs, we're going to have to do something a little bit sexy there. So we're going to use the Dulux Renovation range cabinetry paint here, and then we're going to use the bench top and tile paint on the bench top. We're going to try the tile paint here, and again, what colour, I'm not sure. That is all to be determined.
Okay, so we're here today and we're going to actually choose our paint colours for the walls and the cabinetry of the kitchen. See how it is, all the cabinetry is really chalky and warm, and it's kind of got that yellow based tone. In regards to the cabinetry, I'm thinking Shetland lace, and then we need a colour to complement that, which is pretty much the majority of the rest of the kitchen. I think what we'll do is go with the Glink Scully Quarter.
Okay.
Only because if you hold these two together, they just complement each other so well.
The preparation for this renovation has begun. So really, really critical first step is preparing your space here. Once we finish cleaning, it's time to sand all of the surfaces.
And so I'm painting on the primer right now. I know it looks like I'm doing nothing, but this primer is actually clear, goes on clear. So putting a thin layer. So we're at the stage where we are masking up our kitchen. Now the reason we're having to do this is because we're going to paint the walls and the ceiling.
So that's one cabinet door done in the Dulux Shetland lace. Loving the colour. Let this one dry and then we'll put our second coat on. And in the meantime, I'm going to call in the painting crew and get them to whip around.
Okay, so there's a few spaces within this kitchen that I've splurged, and there's also a few spaces that I've saved some money on. The kitchen sink was not one of the spaces that I saved money on. I did spend a little bit more here, but it was worth it because the white sink in comparison to the old one, that there has transformed this space. So a space that I did save was with these little babies, these gorgeous little handles. They're perfect with this colour.
Okay girls, so we did an unbelievable kitchen that is unrecognisable, but the big question everyone wants to know, did we come in under 10K? Erin, Kalis.
We did.
Woohoo!
We did. We didn't just come in under 10K, we came in a lot under 10K.
Did we?
Like how much a lot?
Like the final number, 8,965.
I mean, we really need to recognise if we didn't paint it, there would be no transformation whatsoever.
No, that is the key.
That
to
is the
this.
transformation.
This transformation is the paint. It's the
Yeah.
Dulux Reno range. It's on all of the surfaces here. It's on the cabinets, the bench top, the tiles.
Yeah.
It's everywhere, and that's what the transformation is. It's
Yeah.
the paint.